Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update CDN caching rules in Cloudflare for pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update CDN caching rules in Cloudflare, begin by signing in to your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the website you want to configure. In the sidebar, click on the Caching tab. You will see options related to caching settings. Locate the configuration section for cache settings. Click on Page Rules to create or modify existing rules. To create a new rule, click on the Create Page Rule button. Enter the URL pattern for which you want to set caching rules. Specify the caching level for that URL. Choose from options like No Cache, Standard, or Ignore Query String. Next, adjust the Cache Everything setting if desired. You can also set custom TTL values for the cached resources. Once you've configured the desired settings, click Save and Deploy. If you need to modify an existing rule, find the rule in the list. Click on the Edit icon next to the rule. Update the URL pattern or the caching settings as needed. After making changes, ensure you click Save and Deploy again. You can arrange your rules by dragging and dropping them in the list. Remember that the order of rules matters, with the first rule that matches taking precedence. For testing, clear the browser cache or use incognito mode. Check the caching behavior by inspecting the response headers. If the changes don't reflect immediately, give it a few minutes for the CDN to propagate. You have successfully updated the CDN caching rules in Cloudflare for your site. Monitor the performance and adjust the rules as necessary based on user feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.